I just updated Toggin for the 16th, 2020 edition. Here are my shows that I got from the new version. Gabby's Dollhouse, Team Movie Zoomy, The Magic School Bus, Bali, Oswald, Baby's Adventures Big and Small, The Picaro Show, Blue's Clues, Bonnie Bear, Dora the Explorer, Pitch and Punch, Ball on the Go, Franny's Beat, Go Diego Go, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast, Little Einsteins, In the Night Garden, Little Bill, Loop and Luke, Strawberry Shortcake, Bob the Builder, Caillou, Jelly Jam, Shimmer and Shine, Super Y, Saito of the Seas, Puka,